I sneezed during the show. I don't know if you guys noticed it. I was back there. I tried to cover up. The allergies are getting
we didn't
me.
notice it at all, Jeff.
Every single year, the same exact time is when the allergies kick up, Rob. I'm telling you, the first day of spring, and then it lasts for 6 weeks. It's 6 weeks of misery for me. It starts now.
Do you ever take any medicine?
No. I don't want to do that. I don't want to mess with my sleep schedule, to be honest.
Be miserable.
Be miserable and sneeze during the show. And you know what? It happens to everybody. It happens to those who are involved with an orchestra, too. Listen to the trombonist here. That's the London Central Fellowship Band trombonist. You know, what can you do? You're playing your trombone, sneeze comes up, and then you alter the song a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
It happens.
Right.
I'm getting sniffles as we speak. Really, I am.
It's natural.
Anyway, this is also something you guys are going to like. We've seen half-court shots at the buzzer beaters, but honestly, Dan, I've never seen one like this, ever.
I want to watch.
Take a look. I slow-moed it. So take a look. Dan, you tell me if that's a travel. Is that a travel? He's moving?
I would have whistled him. I would have whistled him. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
But it was his hand, sort of.
Well, you could almost call it a carry then.
Yeah, I would maybe go with the carry.
He tripped, he fell, he slid, and then he shot it from the knee. Still an incredible shot. It counted. They won.
Was the other team complaining? You should have blown the whistle.
I'm sure they did. Yeah. That was a tournament game, so that's a big deal. If Superman had a GoPro camera, what a cool visual that would be.
Yes, it would be.
I don't know if you guys have seen this yet, but this digital effects company put this together. It is great. We're going to end on this.
That's
the question is how.
Isn't it? No,
just the
hands over the screen.
I think they put a GoPro camera, maybe a drone to get their B-roll. I think maybe this might be a chroma key wall with two hands with lots of really good lighting effects.
Oh, look
really
at that.
Good.
Catch the moment.
Yeah. I know.
And no kryptonite.
Superman.
No, he's all right. We're out of time here, but we got more news coming up an hour from now. That's the news coming.
That's cool.